What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we got very busy on that 7.3 in the last video. Since then till now, I've ordered full rocker panels. I thought I'll show you when we get in there, but I ordered full rocker panels because I thought you know, the fronts were good, but there's some surface rust on them and there's stuff tucked behind them, and I said, you know, I figure if I'm doing the whole thing, the truck's, you know, it's a 99, so obviously they're not perfect, so any little imperfection, any little rust will eventually bring its way all the way through. Thank you, wipers. But it'll bring its way all the way through and then end up rotting out the rest of the rockers anyway. So fresh rockers coming, inners and outers. And then after that, we've got two new bumpers coming. We got a front and a rear bumper. The front bumper, I found one that had no plastic on it, which was very interesting. So the whole thing could just be painted. And then I got two fenders coming, new emblems coming for when we take them off. So yeah, we're gonna have two new fenders. The hood's still good. All the rocker panels, all of that, we are good to go here. We're good to go with all that stuff, and we just need to find 3 doors and a bed. A lot of you said flatbed it, some of you said don't flatbed it. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I kind of would like a regular bed, but we'll see what we can find. Nice. Where's the other bowl? Right there. Your hand is in it. Yeah, I see it. What is the FMF sticker?
FMF Racing for like riding their bikes before this.
Somebody wanted to buy this grill.
It's a,
because it said FMF on it.
that sounds like ass.
Oh, good.
Ryan, I think we'll be able to save this one here in a minute. I'm trying to fix the fender so it's round again.
Make sure the paint is good. Oh, I forgot that's why it doesn't come off, because there's studs. Yeah. Nice, real nice. There we go.
There you go. Show me how you do it.
No.
Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Serves you some reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's time.
place for a computer. Honestly, though. That doesn't make much sense. Look at all that shit.
Yeah, that isn't a really spot. That's what I said. Coordinator is very bad on that.
Yeah, that is a horrible idea.
It's the missed opportunity train. It only comes on a very blue moon. Think twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a genie in sight. That reality gets so. There's no point to being careful. Learn the rules of the game before you lose your mental. Pretty Carolina, the stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the diner. It serves as a reminder to count your blessings.
And alright guys, just like that, 2 days, this truck is down to as far as I kind of want it, really. You know, cab is still here, obviously motor's in there. I don't think we're gonna pull the cab on this. It would be cool, but I think it's gonna sit where it does. I just emailed somebody to come out and see if they can dustless blast this entire frame. One, make my life easier, and two, honestly, I'm gonna do is disconnect the shock, take the shock tower mount out, have them blast that. I don't really care about the springs if we're gonna replace it, but I'll definitely want to get the axles done. Same thing back here, get this whole thing blasted, cleaned up, washed, ready to go, because then obviously I don't know if I want to paint it like auto paint color yet or not. Either that or black, and then we'll powder coat some stuff on it. While we're at it, I'll probably do the axles, get those cleaned up, touch those up as well. Just keep that, you know, just get all the flaky rust off. Like I said, this frame is quite solid, but it's just quite flaky, as you can see. Like I said, I got all the rocker panels coming, both bumpers. I got 2 fenders coming, badging, new badges, as you saw us take the other ones off, but new badges. This is the only salvageable piece on this truck, is the one driver door. So there's that. I also got new sets of these coming because these lenses are kind of fogged up. Kind of buff them, I don't know, but I actually saved these just in case when I get in there and do the housing on the other headlights that are coming, if something messes up or something in the oven, I have a spare set just in case. Also, I think I can get clear lenses for these as well, so I'll be looking into that. Then the rocker panels I found for this, they actually just come up here, and then it cuts right here on this body line, which is super sweet. And then it also comes with this part of the rocker in here, so it'll end up right underneath these door bolt holes anyway. So I'll be able to patch it in right there and then up here and run this. So this whole section will be replaced. And then I've obviously got these 2 coming as well, because I noticed this just today when I came here. Like you see, it's flaking here and there, and I'm just not even gonna worry about it, especially underneath this grommet here. You see how there's rust there on the inside, which means it's definitely on the back of this. And if I make this all nice and pretty, in due time it will end up rusting through. So I figured out if I'm doing it, I might as well just do it all. So we got full sets of new rockers coming in for this. All right, guys, so pounding these last brackets to the rails out, this brake line seemed to fall off, but what I did find is that it was already rotted and replaced, so we're good on that. New brake line right there, so whew, thankful for that, actually. And all right, guys, I am super thrilled with how this 7.3 project is coming out so far. Literally, we are 2 days into it. Like, that's 2 days of labor, 2 videos, and we are, you know, back when I did the Silverado, it probably took me about 2 months to get to where we're at now. I guess as you build more and do more, you just got an idea what you got to do, and you can get it done so much quicker, which is, oh, it's unreal. The rocker panel should be here shortly, not today, but in the next couple days. So I think I'm gonna go drill out the factory rocker panels in a little bit here, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick update really quick. Eco Diesel giveaway, we should have a winner soon. With the whole banana ram thing, we got pushed back just a hair, but we should have a winner in the next couple days here. Secondly, there's a bunch of orders that were placed at the beginning of the giveaway for hoodies that we're dealing with stock issues on. So that's where those orders at the beginning of the giveaway are, and even to the end we're dealing with stock issues on those. There's a handful of them. Also, orders with decals in it. We've been waiting on vinyl, and we just got the vinyl, and we just got the transfer paper today. So this weekend we're gonna get busy, and we should knock out all the rest of the decals. So the orders that have decals and hoodies and other stuff in them, the rest of them will ship shortly. It's been crazy here, but at the rate the rocker panels and stuff just shipped and should be here soon, and the bumpers and all that, I think we're getting back to normal shipping times for various products, whether it be automotive or just, like I said, the vinyl. So hopefully we're getting back to normal shipping times soon. And I just want to say thank you all for your support. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, shoot this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Take care. I will see you guys shortly. I got a surprise coming for you guys too. Oh, this is gonna be nuts. So I just want to say thank you for your support, thank you for your patience. Take care, and I will see you shortly. We should have that 7.3 rolling a lot faster than I ever anticipated. See you guys soon.